Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how we're gonna use rooms, use a separate room tool, how room bounding works, and of course a schedule from rooms and the color fill legend. So let's jump straight into it. So to place rooms you go to the architectural tab and then you go to the room tools right here. So to place room, you click on a room or you use shortcut RM. Now to annotate rooms, you see your blue box around your cursor. That means that he's looking for the room boundaries. So if you hover over your project, then you see he will automatically choose where the room bounding is uh, and where the room bounding is active. So if you hover over another room. Now we see the other room is the other walls are in blue, so there are other boundaries. Same for here, here, and here. So let's place one. We're gonna place right here. So now we place an annotation for a room. So to select the annotation, you click here, and then you can change the name like bedroom. There you go. And this is room 1. So now be aware you only selected the annotation, not the room itself. So to select the room itself, you hover over the room and you see that the blue cross coming through. So that means if you click on the blue cross, the blue highlighted area is actually your room. So you have now selected your room. So be aware of that you don't miss it. Um, or you think you have the room but you have actually the annotation. So let's place the other rooms. Again, shortcut RM. Here you have a room, here we have a room, here we have a room, and here we have a room. We're gonna name them first. Entry, living room, salvage, right, bedroom. Okay, though. Now we named our rooms. So the next thing you're gonna see is how to separate a room. Like this, we have our living room, but also our kitchen. So how do you separate that? It's really easy. So again, you go to the architectural tab, and then you have here room separator. That means we're gonna separate this room because we want this area to be as kitchen. So just draw the line right here. You click finish it, and now you see this room is only, or this area where the blue area is only the living room. And now we're gonna place a room again, RM, and then we can choose. We can also choose to uh, show the tag from the room when you place it, or you don't want to. If you don't want to, you just click or uncheck this, and now the tag is gone. This is only if you want to get the information from the room itself and not really show it on the floor plan. But we're gonna check it again. And now if you want to see the boundaries from the room, you just click highlight boundaries, and then you see room bounding elements are highlighted. That means every blue line, that means where the room is bounded. So the highlighted blue lines where that means where the room is bounded. So close that, and now we're gonna place the room. As you see here, we can place this right here, and we have separate rooms. We're gonna name that kitchen, and that's pretty much how it works. You can also hide it if you don't want to see the line. So there we go. Now we separated the room. For example, the room boundary, how that works, we're gonna create some walls. Gonna gonna make a rectangle right here, and now we're just gonna place it this like this. Now you see, if I want to place a room, circuit room again, now we see the highlighted boundaries are my walls, like you see the blue lane right here. These are the boundaries, but I don't want to have the boundary here. I want the whole room without these walls because I want this to belong to each other, whatever, nice English. So how do you do that? You can select the walls, and right here you have room bounding. If you uncheck this box and you go to room again, now he takes the whole room. So those walls are not room bounding anymore. So that's how you use room bounding. Um, Again, the same if you want the rooms again to bound it, then you can check it again, go back room, and there you have it. The walls are again room bounded. So that's how you use it. Um, so the next thing we're gonna do is how to delete the rooms. So the next thing that we are going to do is to make a room shadow. Why do you want to make a room shadow? Simply because you want to see an overview of the rooms, and also if you want to delete a room, if you delete that here in floor plan, the room is not really gone, it's only gone in the floor plan, but the room itself still exists. So let's do that. For that you go to the view tab, then you go to shadows, shadows and quantities, then you look for rooms, okay. Then you want the area and name, and of course level if you with if you're working with more than just one level, but we'll keep it like this, simple. So you click OK, and then here, right here, you have your room area. So for example, if you want to delete a room, if you go here, oh, that's my door. If you go to here and you delete it, the room is not actually gone. Now you only deleted the room tag, but that's not a problem. You still see the room is here. If you select, if you select the room, then delete it right there. The room still exists, but you don't see it in the floor plan anymore. So that's why you need the shadow. You're going to see in a second why. So here the room is gone, you can't click it or you can't find it. So if you go to the room shadow and you actually want to delete a room, then you see living room is not placed. So that's mean the room is still there, but it's not placed. So how do you delete it correctly? Click on the living room and just delete it. He says, do you really want to delete the room? You say okay, and now the room is really gone, but we're gonna place it again. So rm room, there you have it. We're gonna make this living room. Living room like this, and there we have it. Now we have our rooms back. So that's how you delete a room correctly. So the next thing that you guys are here for are of course the color fill legends. So how do you do that? You go to the annotate tab, and here you see color fill legend. You click on it, and now you see no color scheme is assigned to the view. Don't worry, you just click here or here or here, whatever you want. We're gonna click here, and now he asks which space type you want to show. So of course we want to show spaces, but not the spaces that we are looking for. We want to show rooms, and we want to show it not by department but by name. You select OK, and and there you have it. There is a color fill room legend. So there is Here, there's a Confederate room legend that you want to have. So as you see, every color is another room, as you can see. So how do you want to change that? You go to edit type, and here in the menu you can choose which height and width you want, and which title block, which color. That's how actually you want to change the layout. And to change the room itself, you go to edit scheme, and now you see how you can change the title. Here is room legends, and now you can see room legends. You're just gonna type rooms and apply, and this changes also. If you don't like the colors, you can also change the colors by yourself. We're gonna use this one, then we're gonna use this one. Just gonna randomly color things to show you guys how it works, and maybe this one. Oh, that's actually the same color, black one. And now we're gonna use a light one, maybe this one, orange. Oh, okay. So that's how you change the colors, and now you see the colors are changed like this. But you can also choose if you want like the kitchen, not a solid fill, but like another pattern. You can simply go to kitchen, solid fill, and now we're gonna diagonal down. You do apply, and there you have it. Now you have your diagonals. Same for the living room. It's quite dark, so we're gonna use let's see, like this, and there you have it. That's how you can play with the rooms. So the next thing, if you want to get rid of the color scheme, well, that's easy. To delete it, you can't delete it like this. Just click rooms and delete. Well, nothing happens. The color scheme are still there. So how do you delete it correctly? You select the color scheme, you go to edit scheme, and then you're gonna see the colors from your rooms, and here on the left part you see a name, and you click on none. Then you click apply, okay, and there you have it. Then you just delete this one and it's gone. Now if you deleted the color scheme like this, if you deleted the annotation and you still see them, that's no problem. You just go to the floor plan, you click on your floor plan. Here in the properties you go to color scheme, it says name, you click on it, then you say none, apply, just okay, and there you have it. The color scheme is gone. So hopefully it was helpful, you guys. Please like and subscribe or leave a comment, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.